Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be talking about resizing and managing a window in your computer. Resizing and managing window in your computer. So what is a window? A window can easily be any of these icons that you can find on the desktop, opened stuff, or your program applications. So I'm just going to double click the Google Chrome browser. So the Google Chrome browser opens, so this is a window. All right, that is a window. You can resize this window to any, you can make it smaller as it is. Okay, so to do that, point to the right border. Right, so this is changed to double-headed arrow. Click, hold, you can see that is changed to double-headed arrow. Click, hold, and drag to the center. You can see it's becoming smaller. Now point to the bottom of the Google Chrome browser. Once you see it's changed to the double-headed arrow, it means you can click, hold it, and drag. Now you're resizing to whatever shape or size that you want it to be. You can hold, drag, and move it upwards to make it smaller, or move it downwards to make it either bigger. So it all depends on how you want to resize that window. Another way is you can point to the lower part, to the left lower part of the Google Chrome browser. You can see the left lower part below here, left lower part of the Google Chrome browser. Now you also have a double-headed arrow. Click, hold, and drag to either point that you want. Okay, if I move it inside, it has stopped. You can't move to the right part, but you can actually move it to the outer part. All right, so another way you can drag is point to the top left part. You can see, okay, if I point to the top, to the bottom right corner, you can see the diagonal double-headed arrow appearing by the bottom right corner. So click, hold, and move up to make it even smaller. Right, see the diagonal double-headed arrow. So this is how you resize your windows. And Windows simplifies document and program management by allowing you to dock a window or manipulate its size, just like use the previous example that I showed you on. Now, to dock your window, one half of the screen, click, hold the title bar of this, like you can see here, this particular one. Click, hold the title bar. Now drag to the left or right. Drag to the left or right of the screen, and it will change its size to fit that half of the screen. So I'm going to move to the left of the screen. You can see what's going on here. It will change. I will release the mouse. You can see it changes to one half of the screen. So if I take it back to what it was, and restore. Now I want to dock the screen to the right hand side. So I'll click, hold, and move it to the right side of that screen and release the mouse. So now I have docked the window to the right half of the screen. I hope you love this. Practice it, and it's quite easy. When your desktop is clustered with open windows, you can shake to select a single window and close the rest of the window. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Looking at this screen or desktop screen right now, you can tell that there are a lot of windows opened up. Now you want to work with just a particular window. Okay, before I go to the shake aspect, I have the calculator open, the PowerPoint window, I have the control panel there, I have browser open, I have the printers and devices open over here. Now let's say I want to work with just the calculator and I don't want my window to look messed up as it is. I just want this to be up there. So you can easily do this by using the shake format. Just click and hold the particular window you like to work with at that particular time. Hold the title bar, click hold the title bar and shake by holding and dragging or moving the window from one point to the other. Shake vigorously like I'm doing now, so you can see the windows that were opened are all closed or minimized. Now if you want to reopen the windows, the same thing, click hold by the title bar, shake again, the windows will open again. So it's one easy and fastest way to minimize or close windows down, so you have access to work with a particular window that you want to work at a particular time. Hello. Alright, so here I want to show you how you can pick on your desktop without having to close this windows. If you look closely, you would notice that I have I have about 5 windows that are open here in the screen. So to pick or take a look at your desktop without closing the windows, you can do that. So hover your mouse to your taskbar, this is the taskbar, to the extreme right corner, you will see show desktop. So the windows become transparent and you can see your desktop. So click on that point here, click on this point where it says show window. You can see there, show window. Once you point to this button here without clicking, it will say show window. So the screen becomes transparent and you can see the desktop. Right, now you have to click on this button here. Once you click on the button, the desktop becomes very visible for you to see. So I would click that button. You can see the desktop is clear. You can see whatever you want to do, and once you click on that button again, your windows reappear. So this is called peek. You want to take a peek or take a look at the desktop. Alright, I hope you do love this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You need to click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.